Look at that purple block. Let's build something together. Ava. Ava, can you tell me with your eyes what color you want? We've got red and orange and yellow, green, blue. What color do you want, Ava? Ava, what color should we have next? Oh, I saw you looking at green. Try one more time. Try one more time. I see you using your eyes. Just gotta stay there a little longer. Little longer. Ava, what color is next? Tell me with your eyes.
You're looking at them.
You're looking at a lot of colors right now. Let's choose one color.
Yellow.
Yes!
Yeah!